A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today our new lesson is khashiyah. Okay. First letter is kha. Kha have one dot on top side. Okay. This one kha letter. In top of the kha, this one dot. It's kha. And what is this sign? Green color. It's fatah. When will come this fatah sign top of the any letter, then you will say that letter kha fatah kha. 10 times repeat it. Kha fatah kha, kha fatah kha, kha fatah kha, kha fatah kha. And next one is we have this one sheen. Sheen have three dots on top side and on bottom side on this one top bottom of sheen this kasra. Okay, this one kasra sign. When will come this kasra sign bottom of any letter, then you will say the sheen kasra she. Sheen, this one is sheen, this one kasra she. Sheen kasra she. Repeat it 10 times. Sheen kasra she, sheen kasra she. Okay, we will join this kha and sheen. Kha fatah kha, sheen kasra she, kha she, kha she, kha she, kha fatah kha, sheen kasra she, kha she. Okay, and we have new letter, last letter is ya. Okay, this one is ya. Ya have two dots on bottom side. Okay, and one sign also top of the ya. Its sign name is fatah. Okay, this one also fatah and this one kasra. Okay, this fatah, ya fatah ya, ya fatah ya, ya fatah ya, ya fatah ya, ya fatah ya. Okay, this one ya fatah ya. Repeat it 10 times. Ya fatah ya. Okay, we will join inshallah these three letters. Kha fatah kha, sheen kasra shi, kha shi, ya fatah ya, kha shi ya. It's very easy, simple. I hope you understand now. Thank you. Jazakallah khair. Take care and revise it 10 minutes.